So very good morning, dear student. Today I will follow the different strategies for evaluating your internals. As we found that in division D, we have very good response as far as their assignment is concerned. So today I will start from roll number 7841. Okay, 7841.
Yes, sir.
Okay, go ahead with your assignment and viva.
So 1 minute.
Only working capital. What about remaining chapters?
They are completed.
What do you mean by common size statement? Close the book now. What do you mean by common size statement? What is the difference between common size and comparative? Roll number 42, 7842. Is there. 43 is done. 44, 45. 7844. D division roll number 44. Then D division roll number 45. See, this is the last option for you all. Roll number 46. 7846. 7847 has given. 7848 has given. 49.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Why
Notebook.
absent during last exam?
So my internet was not working.
So now today it's working, no?
Yeah.
So go ahead. Next. Next. Quickly, don't waste that much of time. Quick. We have plenty of students. Their vivas are pending. Next. Close the book. Any three item of non-quick current liability. Non-quick current liabilities.
Stock, debtors, and cash.
Stock, debtor, and cash is current liability. Then what is current assets? Any two combined ratio.
Current ratio, current asset minus current liability divided by current liability.
Is it combined ratio or it's balance sheet ratio? Next roll number. Roll number
Yes, sir.
51. 7851. Sir, it was 49, no?
Yes, sir.
What was-
Yes.
What was that roll number? 49, no? And now roll number 50. 7850. Go ahead with assignment quickly. What all comes in miscellaneous? Close the book and face the camera. What all will come in miscellaneous expenditure?
What, sir?
What all will come in miscellaneous expenditure as a part of shareholders fund? Very sad. 7851. So if these guys is going to get less mark, please don't, blame the teacher, blame yourself. Such a easy subject whereby we can score 50 out of 50 or 100 out of 100 because of we have not put appropriate efforts. We have not got 100 out of 100 marks. Next roll number
So
7851. 7851. 7851.
I'm showing it to you.
Yes, go ahead with assignment. Next, 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 next. Close the book. What all will come as a current asset when we will do the estimation of working capital? Estimation of
estimated
working capital.
Finished goods, cash and bank balance.
Finished goods and cash.
So in the estimated working capital balance,
Yes, yes.
raw materials,
Raw material.
current assets, right?
See the format which just now I have seen from your
So
notebook.
which one?
Next roll number 52. Roll number
Yes, sir.
7852.
Yes.
Go ahead. Close the book. In cash flow statement, operating activities, which item will come? Cash from operating activity.
Cash flow operating. Cash generated from operations, income tax paid, or extraordinary income, or net cash from operating activities.
Just think properly before stating. I am asking AS3 format.
AS3.
What all will come as operating? Net cash
Cash
flow
flow
from
from
operating
operating
activity.
activities, net cash flow from investing activities, and net cash flow from financing activities.
Beta, and neither I am asking from investing nor I am asking from finance. I am asking from net cash flow from operating activity. Which item will come? Don't see the notebook and speak to me. Just see face to face and get me the answer. It's your viva.
Depreciation provisions is the taxes unrealized foreign exchange.
Next, roll number 53, 7853. Those who could not able to get me the appropriate answer, kindly go through the notebook and start studying MA. Otherwise, passing in MA will be difficult. So 54, 7854. 55. 7855.
Hello.
Go ahead.
Hello. Sir, I am 7854 and I have given that only.
But your viva and assignment was pathetic. You don't want to improvise then. Okay, fine, no problem. It is your choice. 50. 55.
Sir, 55.
Go ahead. Seven, 8, 5, 5. 55 roll number.
Yes, sir.
Next. Next. Close the book. Dipesh. Any three combined ratio.
Current ratio is equal to PA upon PA.
Current ratio is not a combined ratio, my dear student. $57 wants to improvise there. Marks. No. 58. Roll number 58. Roll number 60. 7860. Seven, 8, 6, 1. Six, 2. So now no more viva. Please keep in mind these roll numbers who are missing today. And no CR will come forward. Pradnya, keep a note.
Yes, sir. Sir, 61 to 66, no one
And
is.
just tell them they are going to get 0 marks out of 20. 63. 7863. $64. 65. 66, 67,
Yes, sir.
7867.
Yes, sir.
बच गया तू.
Sir.
Next. 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 Close the book.
Yes, sir.
Non-quick current asset में क्या क्या आता है? Which are the items of non-quick current assets?
Sir, creditors, bills payable,
Current assets.
current asset. Sir, debtors, bill receivable, marketable security, stock,
Non-quick current assets.
non-quick current asset. Sir, bank balance, raw material.
Format देख. Cash flow statement has been segregated in how many items?
Sir, 3 items.
Which are those?
Sir, cash flow from operating, investing, and financing.
Financing activity, which items will come?
Sir, we will add on issue of share, debenture, bond. We will reduce sale of issue, redemption of issue, redemption of share, debenture, and bond.
Good. Next roll number 68, 7868.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. 7868, quickly. Close the book. Any three combined ratio. Any three combined ratio.
Debtor turnover is equal to credit sales upon bills receivable plus creditors turnover is equal to debtors purchase upon bills payable plus creditors and current carrying ratio is equal to fund with fixed return upon fund without fixed return.
Funds with fixed interest and funds without fixed interest and dividend. Capital gearing is balance sheet ratio, not the combined ratio. I have stated several times during my lectures. Please keep a note of it. Next. Roll number 7869.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. 7869. Roshan. And these children has not shown me the assignment even single time. So definitely they are not going to get 20 marks, huh? For sure. Roshan, kindly unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which topic it is?
So common size statement.
Close the book. 3 advantages of common size statement.
The advantages. Don't know.
Roll number 70, 7870. So D division assessment is over. Now let us go to C division, remaining roll numbers. Roll number 1, 7701. Which topic it
Sir,
is?
it is done. Working capital.
This student has not shown me the assignment single time. I have all the records. And keep in mind, you guys are not going to get good marks for sure. Close the book now. What are the format in working capital when we take the current asset? What all item we should consider there? So just see, these all things are showing that you have just merely copied down the things from your friends and colleagues. They have sent their, notebook, a pic and all, but you have not studied. If you will not study, definitely you are not going to get good marks or other marks from my end. Please keep these things in mind. You don't know even about working capital, how you are doing, expecting good marks. Roll number 2. Seven 720. Roll number 3.
Yes, sir.
Being the leader. Roll number 3. What
Yes, sir.
role you have played?
Sir, I coordinated with them, sir. I had sent them the PDF version. Sir, I told them
Where
tomorrow
you
is the
found
final.
difficulties? In which roll numbers you found the difficulties to managing?
Roll number 2 and 4.
Sorry? All
Roll number
fours
2
were
and
like them only. You could not able to manage any of them.
So the most I can do, sir, I can tell them to complete the.
Chalo. You showed me the assignment once. Am I right?
Yes, sir. So I have to show you from the
That
ratio
was
analysis.
20th of March.
So 1 minute. The ratio analysis. Yeah. So this is working capital, the format.
Close
The
the book. Debt service coverage ratio.
debt service coverage.
Average ratio.
No,
Interest coverage ratio.
that's something interest upon some.
These are the second last ratios. EPS.
No. Sorry, sir.
Earning per share. EPS.
So
Very
can you ask
simple.
me for-
Never think what you know I'm going to ask. I'm also knowing what you are not knowing. Keep in mind. 2 decade is not, very small, experience for a person. So I'm giving you opportunity. Tell me any 5 combined ratio.
Sir, debtors turnover ratio.
Very
That
good.
is debtors upon bills received.
I'm not asking the formula. See, whatever the question has been asked, that much answer you should give. Have I asked the formulas?
Then there's debtors velocity, turnover velocity, or velocity ratio. Then there's creditors velocity, dividend payment ratio. These 4 I can recollect these.
Roll number 4.
Thank you, sir.
Roll number 5. 7705.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead with the assignment.
sir, this is
Roll number
format.
5, have you got this assignment from roll number 3? Who is your leader of the group? Kajal Sukla. I'm asking
Yes, sir.
something. Close the book now.
So there's a group on WhatsApp
Wait,
for the
wait. Roll number 3, I'm not asking anything from you now.
Sorry, sir.
Roll number 5, Kajal Sukla.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you?
Yes, sir.
आपको मेरी बात सुनाई दे रही है?
Yes.
From where you got this assignment? कहाँ से आपने complete करा ये assignment book? Have you got the assistance
lecture
from roll number 3?
No, sir.
अभी तो उन्होंने यही specify किया.
Sir, Pranda send it. And sir, मैं lecture attend करती हूँ इसमें.
लेकिन आप कभी भी assignment नहीं बताए. Lecture attend करती हैं आप, लेकिन assignment आज तक नहीं बताया आपने, क्यों? So still roll number 2 and 4 is absent. Now next is roll number 6. Okay, wait. Roll number 5, Viva is pending.
Yes, sir.
How we are making common size statement? What is the base for common size statement? Roll number 6, 7706. Dear CR, Pradnya, the position of your class is very bad. This simplest subject, they are not able to study. I don't know how they are studying. They are not able to answer simple questions. Roll number 7. Roll number 7. Roll number 8. 7708. Okay, Anurag, this is roll number 7707, na? Which you are talking about.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Roll number 8, 7708. Roll number 9, 7709. Roll number 10, 11.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Unmute yourself. Close the book now. What is the difference between common size and comparative?
Difference between
Common size statement and comparative statement. Very basic question.
sir in common size asset and liability side asset and liability columns are coming, and in comparative more columns are coming.
Huh? Column can be the answer of distinguish. Tell me. Roll number 12.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, I'm from D3. Can I give now?
No, why? Where you were?
Sir, I joined at 9, but due to network issue, I wasn't able to join on time. So
Wait, let me
I
put
joined
it
at
for
9:20.
53. Go
Sorry,
ahead.
sir.
7853. You were regular in lecture, but what has happened today?
Sir, due to network issue, I
And
couldn't
you have
join.
never shown us your assignment also.
Yes, I'm going to show now.
Why
Can
now?
I?
Why not in between when other students were showing? So go ahead. Don't waste much of time. And dear student, immediately after this also you need to join for subsequent sessions. Close. Close the book. What is trend analysis? How we do the trend analysis? So let me continue with that 7-7 wala. 7-7-11. Rule number 12.
Yes, sir.
7-7-1-2. Go ahead. Next. 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 Quickly. Close. What all will come as loan fund? Priyanka. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Unmute yourself again.
Yes, sir.
Unmute करके रखिए, then only you can answer. वापस mute हो रहा है.
Sir, I don't.
अरे put it as unmute.
Sir, I don't know.
Okay. Miscellaneous expenditure in vertical format. Very bad, very pathetic condition. सिर्फ copy कर लेने से you cannot pass. And this is such a simple subject. Simplest subject. 13. 7-7-1-3.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. Shabash. Next, next, next. What topic it is?
Working capital.
Working capital. Close. In working capital, how to value stock of WIP? बेटा तुम लोग आज पढ़ने आए हो, हम 22 साल से पढ़ा रहे. There is a difference. तुम जो रट के बैठेगा उसपे तुमको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेगा। सीखने की कोशिश करो। याद करो, गूंदा हुआ आटे का मैंने एग्जाम्पल दिया था। मटीरियल एज 100, लेबर ओवरहेड। यू आर रेगुलर इन क्लास, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम आस्किंग। रोल नंबर 14। रोल नंबर 15। 7715. So in your group also, students are not so effective. They are not given answer. So next group onwards, we will be joining immediately with the same login ID password. And then we will continue with the Vivas. 15, kindly go ahead fast. Shivani Gawali.
Gauri.
Gavli, हाँ. चल 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 फटाफट फटाफट फटाफट.
एक मिनट है सर.
नहीं हो पाएगा लगता है. Yes, everyone has to join.